I'm unboxing the Realme GT 7 Pro. Upon opening the box, I find a sturdy black phone case, a booklet, a SIM ejection tool, a Type A to Type C charging cable, and a 120-watt Super VOOC charger. Let's unwrap the plastic covering from the mobile. It comes with a back panel featuring a Mars-colored design, showcasing a texture inspired by the surface of Mars. It features a flagship Sony tri-camera setup, along with the SIM slot, microphone, charging port, and speaker positioned on the bottom side. It is equipped with volume up and down buttons, as well as a power on-off button, conveniently placed on the side for easy access. The Realme GT 7 Pro features a 6.78-inch 15K 2780x1264 pixels Eco OLED Plus display with 8T LTPO technology, supporting a dynamic refresh rate of 120Hz, Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus, and a peak brightness of 6500 nits. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with 12GB 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB 5 and 12GB UFS 4.0 storage. The camera setup includes a 50MP OIS main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP OIS 3X telephoto camera, along with a 16MP front-facing camera. The device is equipped with a 5800 mAh battery supporting 120 watts fast charging and offers IP68 and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistance. According to Geekbench, the Realme GT 7 Pro achieves 44% power savings on the CPU, 40% power savings on the GPU, highlighting its energy-efficient performance. The Realme GT 7 Pro features a 6.78-inch 1.5K Eco OLED Plus display with 8T LTPO technology, supporting Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus and a peak brightness of 6500 nits. The Realme GT 7 Pro boasts the world's first Eco OLED Plus display, co-developed with Samsung, offering superior visuals and energy efficiency. The Realme GT 7 Pro comes with a 6500 mAh battery in markets outside India, while the Indian variant is equipped with a 5800 mAh battery, both supporting 120 watts fast charging. The Realme GT 7 Pro, Indian variant with a 5800 mAh battery, charges to 50% in just 11 minutes and reaches 100% in 30 minutes, thanks to its 120 watt fast charging support. The Realme GT 7 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on the TSMC 3nm process. It also features LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for enhanced performance and speed. The Realme GT 7 Pro features AI Ultra Clear Snap Camera, with AI Snap Mode for enhanced photography. It also includes an underwater mode for capturing clear and vibrant shots, even while submerged. The Realme GT 7 Pro is equipped with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, offering underwater unlock functionality and a fast 0.1 second unlocking time. The Realme GT 7 Pro features IR control for remote device management and 360-degree NFC for seamless connectivity and data transfer from any angle. The Realme GT 7 Pro achieves an impressive Antutu score of over 3,000, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on the TSMC 3nm process. It also boasts a maximum CPU frequency of 4.32 GHz for superior performance. The Realme GT 7 Pro offers a massive 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, allowing for seamless multitasking and ample space for all your apps, media, and files. The Realme GT 7 Pro comes with advanced AI features such as AI Sketch to Image, converts sketches into detailed images, AI Clarity, transforms blurry pictures into clear ones, AI Eraser 2.0 removes unwanted objects from photos, AI Night Vision mode enhances low-light photography for better clarity. improves video recording quality with intelligent adjustments. AI Smart Boost allows seamless app switching. AI Studio offers professional-level video and photo editing features, and many more AI-powered functionalities for enhanced use. The Realme GT7 Pro is equipped with a powerful triple-camera setup, IMX882 3x periscope, 50-megapixel sensor, 195 in size, f2.65 aperture, and 73mm focal length for detailed telephoto shots. IMX906, 50-megapixel sensor, 1.56 size, f1 aperture, and a 6p lens for sharp, high-quality main shots. IMX355, ultra-wide 112-degree FOV, f2.2 aperture for expansive, crisp, wide-angle photos. The Realme GT7 Pro features a range of display technologies for enhanced eye comfort. Full brightness DC dimming reduces flicker for a smoother viewing experience. Adaptive tone automatically adjusts the screen's brightness and color temperature based on ambient light. AI Eye Protect uses AI to reduce blue light exposure for better eye health. Eye Care Display designed to minimize eye strain during prolonged usage. OLED offers vibrant colors and deep blacks for an immersive viewing experience. SGS Eye Care Display, certified for eye care by SGS. TV Rhineland certified, includes TV flicker-free and TV low blue light certifications for a safer display. The Realme GT7 Pro introduces GT Boost 4, delivering peak performance through next-level tuning for faster processing, smoother multitasking, and optimized gaming experiences. The Realme GT7 Pro features FFC algorithm stabilizes frame rates, GFRC algorithm enhances frame rates and graphics in games, RES algorithm optimizes power consumption efficiently, Pro's AI Gaming Super Resolution supports up to 1.5K resolution, surpassing native resolution limits for enhanced gaming visuals. The Realme GT7 Pro offers an esports-like gaming experience with Ultra Touch Control, enhanced touch accuracy and speed in key areas, Gaming 4D Vibration, customizable, precise feedback for immersive gameplay. The Realme GT7 Pro features a 5800 mAh Titan battery, the industry's largest silicon carbon anode battery, offering extended power and cutting-edge technology for all-day use. The Realme GT7 Pro's antenna array matrix 2.06 ensures stronger and more reliable connectivity where it matters. The Realme GT7 Pro features a triple 50-megapixel camera setup with an IMX882 3x periscope, IMX906, and IMX355 sensors, supporting up to 120x zoom for exceptional photography. The front camera of the Realme GT7 Pro is a 16-megapixel sensor, capable of recording videos at up to 1080p at 60 fps for high-quality selfies and video calls. The Realme GT7 Pro supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and GPS L1 plus L5 for fast connectivity and precise location tracking. The Realme GT7 Pro supports 360-degree NFC, enabling seamless connectivity from any angle. The back panel of the Realme GT7 Pro features Panda Glass, but the quality may not meet expectations at this price point. The front of the Realme GT7 Pro is protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, offering strong durability and scratch resistance. The Realme GT7 Pro comes with Realme UI 6.0 and Android 15 pre-installed out of the box, offering a smooth and feature-rich user experience. The Realme GT7 Pro offers 3 years of Android upgrades and 4 years of Android security updates, ensuring long-term software support and security. The Realme GT7 Pro offers several AI features such as AI Google Circle to search. Quickly search using AI-powered Google Assistant. AI Ultra Picture Quality. Enhances photo quality with AI optimization. AI Sketch to Image. Converts sketches into detailed images. Quick NFC sharing. Enables fast sharing between Realme, Oppo, OnePlus, and other Realme devices. Pros of the Realme GT7 Pro. Incredible performance. Super bright 6.78 Samsung AMOLED display. Solid build quality with IP69 rating. Fast 120-watt SuperVOOC charging. Ultrasonic fingerprint scanner works even underwater. AI-powered features like AI Unblur and AI Gaming Super Frame. Smooth gaming performance, handles heavy titles well. Great speakers and haptics. Cons of the Realme GT7 Pro. Hefty build, weighs 223 grams. Bloatware and intrusive pre-installed apps. 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera is disappointing. No 4K support for selfies. Cameras require significant optimization.